While ordering your new carport or metal building can be exciting, you will need to consider how you can prepare your space for installation. Following these steps will ensure the installation team can properly set up your structure. In addition to site preparation, an important step is checking with your local authorities to see if you'll need any special building permits. If a permit is needed, there are some jurisdictions that have websites you can visit for all the necessary paperwork needed before the installation process. If you will need electricity or water for your custom metal building, make sure you have an electrician or plumber visit the site before installation. Generally, it is best to have all the electric lines and pipes installed before pouring a foundation. When ordering your custom building, you'll also need to decide what will be installed on. Will it be installed on a soil foundation, a concrete or asphalt foundation, or maybe some other kind? The following will be the different steps that you will need to take before installing on any particular foundation. If you plan to install your new custom carport on a soil foundation, you will need to take the following steps. 1. Remove all vegetation from the area around the site, including grass and small plants. You don't want any vegetation present when installing anchors in the soil, for it will weaken the ground. 2. Make sure to level the area. This can be done by packing the dirt or driving over the area to get it as compact as possible. And 3. Make sure to keep everything clean. The area needs to be free of debris for the installation team can set up your new carport. Our installation teams can set up a custom carport or metal structure on soil with mobile home anchors, but the space needs to be clear for them to get to the area. Once installed, we recommend covering the area with gravel or small rocks to keep the wear and tear of the soil to a minimum. If you don't plan on certifying your building, that's fine. Our installation team can cut the leg length to match your installation service when they get there. Make sure that you purchase the tallest leg height when you order from Carport Central. This way, the leg height may be adjusted on site. For further details, you may contact one of our friendly building specialists. If you plan to install your custom carport or custom metal building on a concrete foundation, then you will need to take the following steps. 1. Remove all vegetation from the area. As established, you do not want anything weakening the ground around the anchors. 2. Level the area and set boundaries for the concrete slab. The slab will need to be poured true to width and 1 foot shorter than the length of a custom metal building that you will have installed. For the state of Florida, the slab will need to be poured 3/4 inch wider than the all-round width with 1/8 inch grade so water doesn't flow back towards the building. 3. If you plan on certifying your custom building or carport, you'll need to ensure the site is leveled before pouring the concrete. Additionally, 1/8 of an inch slope will need to be allowed from the back to the front, allowing water to follow the slope and roll out rather than collect under the structure. And 4. Concrete needs to be set for at least 72 hours. Therefore, you'll need to prepare the installation site ahead of time to give the concrete proper time to cure. When you pour your concrete slab, you'll also want to check the thickness. Any slab thicker than 4 inches will need special concrete anchors. Check out our article about anchors to learn more about the different styles and when you should use them. Structures can be installed on a wall up to 3 feet, so look at the steps needed to prepare the site. 1. Clear all the vegetation from the area as grass and small plants may weaken the ground around the structures and anchors. 2. Even though you don't have to level the site, you will need to make sure the ground is firm enough for the installers to use mobile home anchors and that the wall is sturdy enough for the drilling needed to anchor the structure. And 3. Will the installers be able to park within 50 feet of the installation site? If not, there may be additional charges for the extra distance. We also recommend using gravel or other small stones as a finishing touch when installing the carports to protect soil from harsh weather. If the structure being installed will be over the top of an immovable item, additional labor fees may be determined by the structure's length. Be sure when you order your custom carport that you order the tallest leg height necessary, as the shorter legs can't be cut on site. Properly preparing the sites for custom carports and custom metal buildings is crucial to a smooth installation. If you have any additional questions or wish to know more about the installation process, check out the installation page on Carport Central. We also have a blog post on anchors that will help explain why we use different anchors for the different foundations. Let us help you find the right carport or custom metal buildings that will help fit your needs and your budget. Carport Central's building specialists will be happy to answer any additional questions about the installation and site preparation. Give us a call today at 980-819-4368 to find the perfect carport for the right price.